In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Zoom. By the end, your Calendly events will automatically generate unique Zoom meeting links for you and your guests, saving time and reducing back and forth. All you need is an active Calendly account, a Zoom account, and permission to authorize apps if your organization manages either service. Start by signing in to Calendly in a web browser. From your main dashboard, look for integrations and apps. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the top navigation or along the left sidebar. Click it to open the integrations page. This is the central place where you can connect Calendly to other tools, and it's where you'll manage the Zoom connection. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second. Integrations often pull fresh status data from connected services. On the integrations page, locate the Zoom option and click it. You should see a dedicated Zoom panel or page with a brief description, current connection status, and a button to begin the connection. If you're browsing a long list, use the search or filter feature to find Zoom quickly. Seeing the Zoom tile here confirms that Calendly supports a direct integration and that you're in the right place. Next, make sure to connect it with Zoom. Click the Connect or Authorize button, and Calendly will redirect you to Zoom's Sign In and Permissions screen. Sign in to the correct Zoom account, review the requested permissions, and approve. This authorization allows Calendly to create Zoom meetings on your behalf when someone books with you. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose the SSO option and complete your usual company login. When the authorization finishes, you'll be brought back to Calendly, and the Zoom status should show as connected. If you have multiple Zoom profiles, double-check you authorize the one you actually use for meetings. From now on, when an event in Calendly uses Zoom as its location, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom link, add it to the booking confirmation, and sync it to the calendar invite. Your guests will receive the link in their confirmation and reminder emails, and you'll see it in the event details as well. If you don't see the connect button, refresh the page or try another browser. If a pop-up is blocked during authorization, allow pop-ups for Calendly. And if your account is managed by an admin, you might need approval for the Zoom app in the Zoom app marketplace. That's all it takes to connect Calendly to Zoom. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother scheduling.